Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a resume photo in a Canva template. Whether you're looking to update your professional image or simply customize your resume to match your personal style, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's homepage. In the search bar, type the word resume. Canva offers a wide range of templates designed to suit a variety of professions and styles. This will take you to a selection of ready-to-use resume templates. Explore the options available and find one that includes a photo placeholder. This will make the process of updating your image much more straightforward. Once you've identified a template that suits your needs, click on it to open up more details. Here you will see an option to customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. This action brings the template into Canva's design workspace, allowing you to make personalized changes to each element of the resume. The next step is to begin editing the template. You can tweak the text, font style, colors, and other design elements as you wish. But since we're focusing on updating the photo, let's concentrate there. To change the image, locate the current photo placeholder within the template. You'll notice an option for uploading your own image. Click on the Uploads option on the left sidebar of the editor. This will open an interface where you can either drag and drop your new photo from your computer or select an image that you've uploaded in the past. Now, select the image you want to use in your resume. Simply drag and drop this photo into the existing image frame. If you're satisfied with the image placement, Canva allows you to further adjust and crop the image by clicking on it directly. Utilize this feature to ensure your image fits neatly and professionally within the designated space. Every adjustment you make gets saved in real time, making the process smooth and efficient. With your image now perfectly in place, take a moment to review the rest of the design. Ensure that all elements of the resume reflect the professional look you're aiming for. Once you're happy with the outcome, go to the upper right corner of the Canva interface and click on the download button to save your updated resume. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change a resume photo in a Canva template. Don't forget to save your design in a PDF or your preferred format, ensuring that when you share or print it, the quality remains intact. Remember, having an updated, visually appealing resume can make a significant difference in capturing the attention of potential employers. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.